Hi there, it's Grant here. I've got an exciting video for you today because I'm going to walk you through how you can start making $200 a day as an affiliate, even if you've never done affiliate marketing before. And I'm going to show you how you can do it fairly quickly. And you don't need any knowledge or assets to do it. You just need to basically put in a bit of time and effort, and you could potentially get to this level, relatively quickly. So if you're excited to watch today's video, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Okay, so on with the video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to walk you through the process. This isn't going to be an exhaustive video because I respect your time, and I know people's attention spans are long now, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. But before I get into the video, I've got quite an exciting announcement. I've just launched my brand spanking new blog. It's all about traffic conversions and affiliate marketing and online business. So here it is. It's only just launched. There's only a couple of articles, but if you look here, I've also launched a free newsletter. There is a paid newsletter coming, but it's not quite ready yet. So if you want to join my brand new sort of weekly affiliate insider newsletter, where I share my secrets and tips of basically how I do affiliate marketing, all you need to do is come to this page, enter your name and email, and you can join for free here, join the newsletter. There is a paid option coming where basically I'm going to go into a huge amount of detail. So if you're interested in this, I would advise you join my free affiliate insider newsletter. Get all the goodies inside of this because I'll be releasing the paid option very, very soon, and you don't want to miss it. So if you want to join, just sort of click here and join for free for now. And check out the blog. I'm going to be uploading a load of content about affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and how to basically create online businesses in the coming weeks and months. So why not check it out? Okay, so on with the video. So the first thing you need to do is choose a niche. There's two sides to this. You kind of need to do, I would always say, try and do a niche that interests you, but at the end of the day, the niche you choose has to make money. And there's a really great sneaky way of doing it. What you want to do is come to a website called Flipper. It's flipper.com. Just Google it. And basically what it is, it's a website. It's a website brokerage that sells online businesses and review websites. And basically just sign up for a free account. Doesn't cost anything. And then you can basically start surging through all of the listings. And the reason why you want to do this, I'm looking at review websites now. A lot of it is affiliate, is here we go. So this is a great way to find out what is working. So here's an affiliate review website in the websites and sports and outdoor niche, and it is making, and the beautiful thing is it tells you the net profit. This site is making $5,500 per month in net profit. The website sports and outdoor niche is doing great. Now I don't know how they're where they're getting affiliate products, but I imagine a lot of this is Amazon. Another one here, another affiliate sales making just over $1,000 a month. That's camera. So headphone reviews, again affiliate sales, making near enough $6,000 a month. Headphones, ProReview.com, 4-year-old site, making it says here, just a tad under $4,000 a month in net profit from affiliate marketing. There's another one here making $1,300 a month. Droid Reviews, it's a gaming review website, $1,700 a month. And here's one I found. This is insane. Website and electronics, 13 years old, but he's making $66,000 a month. Imagine owning that. And it's all from affiliate sales. So the electronics niche, remotely owned electronics. I'm assuming they're going very broad. Yes, $66,000 a month. And basically, what and it's being sold for 6.65 million. Retirement money. If this isn't getting you excited and giving you ideas, I don't know what is. Another electronics website, $4,000 a month. So basically, point is you can come down here and just basically look at all the different sites. Most of these are affiliate sales, and it's just going to give you ideas of niches. You can do your research. It's just going to get your taste buds going to figure out a niche and get you excited, about possibly creating an affiliate review site. So that's the first thing. What you want to do is check out a couple of the websites, and from there, and also based on your, what you're interested in, choose your niche. Flip is a great research tool about niche selection and figuring out what's working and what isn't. The next thing you want to do is you need products. Now, obviously, if you're going to, there's two ways you can do this. If you want to go down the digital marketing route and sort of promote, health products or digital marketing products, ClickBank is the one of the first places I choose. What you need to do is sign up for an account, log in. My advice is look at the top offers and go down the list of top offers. And what you want to do, certainly with ClickBank, is choose offers that pay out over $100. And the top offers are mainly in the health niche. They're all supplements. Most of them are weight loss. They're going to be paying out anywhere from $100 to $150 a sale. So you could potentially create, a health review website, all about, basically about reviewing health weight loss supplements, and basically do SEO to get them ranked, and then you get the checks rolling in, because this is what all of these guys are doing with the affiliate review websites. They're basically ranking them on Google using SEO, and then they're basically cashing the checks. So ClickBank is one. Next thing you want to do, if you want to go down the more physical products route, is join the Amazon Associates program, which is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Just sign up and then off you go. First thing you need to do is, before you sign up, I think you need a blog. So, if my advice is create some kind of review website, choose your niche, and then basically, create your website. Once you got your website up and running, just create an Amazon Associates account. Really easy. It takes about 10-15 minutes to do. And then once you're approved, you can start basically choosing loads of different products to review, and you drop your affiliate links in and basically promote. So those are, and the other way you can do it is, if you want to, you don't really want to go through Amazon or ClickBank or any other sort of intermediary, you can go to companies direct. A lot of companies have their own affiliate programs, or if you got a particular product in mind, why not go to the company directly and try and cut them a deal and say, look, could I become an affiliate, and let me promote your stuff and get more of a, a special deal with it. Because if you're one of a few people promoting it in this popular product, you're going to be making big bank. So that's product selection. Now, what about promoting? One of the first things I would do is, because this is how I've pretty much run my business, or one of the ways I've run my business, is to create a YouTube channel, and I would create some kind of product review channel. I just want to show you the power of this. Now, I'm in the financial niche. One of the products promotes a Palm Beach letter, and one of the beautiful things with YouTube is YouTube owns Google, is you can rank videos pretty easily. This is one of my videos. My channel's the investment of a decade. This is a product review video for the Palm Beach letter. It brings me in, consistent commission sales. And the thing is, you can start ranking these videos very, very quickly. So if you're getting a product that's paying you over $100 and your videos are getting ranked like this on page 1, you are going to start making sales. Very easy to do. And the thing is, you don't even need to be on camera. You can use a piece of screen recording software to show people around the product, whether it's a physical product or if it's like a membership-based product or digital product. Just show them around, give people a taste of what it's about, your views on it, and drive people to that affiliate link. So that's the first thing I'd do. Second thing I'd do is, like I said, I create some kind of affiliate review site. I'm starting to go down this road now because I mean it's not something I've done up until now, but I'm definitely going to do it now because I think it's an asset you own, you control, and you grow. So here's an example. So if you're in the headphone niche, you thought, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of money there. Create your affiliate review site. And, you can basically start ranking. All of these review sites, so you can start ranking them on Google. So let's have a look at this one. Here we go. So this is a taste of a review site. The 8 best headphones Black Friday edition. So there we go. This company's already doing Black Friday reviews. So all of these different headphones, you can do your reviews of them, and you just drop your affiliate links in, and you will be making bank. And really the way to sort of, rank, sort of promote these videos is you can do SEO, like these sites here, you can do SEO, where SEO is called search engine optimization. It's where you optimize your blog or website to rank for particular, keywords on Google, like the Palm newsletter or, headphones or whatever it is. And the overviews, the way you do that is by gaining something called topical authority. And all topical authority is that, say your blog is all around, the health niche, and you want to go deep into weight loss because you're going to promote weight loss supplements, and it's just a niche makes a lot of money. So what you want to do is, let's just come here. This is a little trick. So weight loss supplements. Let's look at weight loss supplements. And what you want to do is become a topical authority. So, here we go. This is what you want to do. These are all keywords ideas, and this is golden. So if you want more keyword ideas, just do this. And more keywords are going to show up, as you can see here. And what you want to do is create a blog, a piece of content around each of these things. So which supplement is best for weight loss? All of these keys, because once you start building the articles up all around these keywords, because Google knows people are asking these questions, and you answer them, and you create articles, say between $500 to $1,000, 500 to 1,000 words long. Once you've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 articles on your site and you're consistent, then you are going to start getting something called topical authority, where your pages are going to start ranking on page 1 of Google. And when you do that, you start getting a huge amounts of traffic. The other way of doing it is, you want to do this as well, as link building. Link building is a bit of an art and a science, but basically the best ways to get links. It's not easy, it's hard, but one of the ways you can do is reach out to other websites in your niche and ask, basically email them, say, look, if I write you a piece of content, could I get a link back to my website? So basically, it's a win-win situation. You're creating a piece of content for someone else's blog, but in return, you're getting a valuable link back to your website. So that is basically how you do SEO and how you can rank an affiliate, website, get topical authority by basically coming to Google and answering all of these questions here, and just keep clicking them down. And more questions and keywords. These are all keyword ideas. And eventually you are going to start, Google's, once you start answering all of these questions in your content on your affiliate review blog, once Google sees you're answering all these questions and putting out good content, they're going to start ranking your website. That's when your traffic's going to spike. And that is going to be when you see spikes in traffic and spikes in affiliate sales. So the last thing is, you know, if you want to start affiliate review site, which I strongly recommend because it's something you own, what sort of, what platform can I use to build it? Well, you can use WordPress. I used WordPress in the past, but it's very clunky. But I've got a new solution for you. My advice is use Ghost. It's basically a blogging platform, but it's got inbuilt sort of newsletter functionality where you can have free and paid newsletters. So not only can you have your affiliate website, you can add a free and paid newsletter as well and monetize it with a newsletter if you want. Highly recommend. You can get started with a Ghost plan. I think for $5 a month, it's ghost.org. You can sign up for this site and start creating your affiliate site and start ranking your affiliate site on Google. Today, the other thing, I forgot to tell you, is if you've got a small budget and you've got a review site and you're writing reviews around a product, you can actually use Google search ads. So if you can afford to spend a couple of $100 a month, you can create, sort of Google search ads around specific product keywords, drive traffic to those review pages. And if the keywords high quality, like iPhone 6 review, and you're reviewing iPhone 6s and you're driving traffic to those, then you're going to see sales because they're high intent keywords. So yeah, this is basically a crash course on basically how you can create basically $200 a day as an affiliate really quickly. I mean, if you follow this plan, I think you can start making $200 a day, within 30 days. And just very quickly, this is one of my blogs here. I built this on Ghost. It's such a powerful tool. As you can see, powered by Ghost here. You've got your little news affiliate inside the newsletter tab. Highly recommended if you want to go down the affiliate review website niche as well. So that is basically what I've got for you. I really hope you found this video useful. Also, very quickly before I end the video, if you want to check out my blog, I've got content on here. I'm going to be putting new content. But also, if you want to sign up for the newsletter, just click here. Why not join my free newsletter for now? Just come here. It's a weekly affiliate marketing newsletter called the Affiliate Insider Newsletter. I'll put out weekly updates talking about how you can get started and start earning commissions in affiliate marketing. And also, when you join the newsletter, you'll be on the wait list for my commission accelerator newsletter, where I go in big time on how you can start earning commissions fast as an affiliate. So here's my site. I'll leave a link down in the comments and description below. It's on onlinebusinessinsider.co.uk. Anyway, that's what I got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.